Every time you take a bite of food, you trigger a highly volatile sequence of events. The simple act of chewing activates an extreme, automated chemical processing plant right inside your body, sending matter plunging rapidly down into the dark. We eat every single day to stay alive, yet very few of us actually understand how the human body extracts usable, life-saving energy from raw fats, proteins, and carbohydrates. Because we don't understand the machinery, we don't know what is happening when this invisible process breaks down. This mechanical failure is the direct cause of severe indigestion, chronic bloating, and the burning pain of acid reflux. To fix that, we are going to travel deep into the human digestive tract, step by step, to see exactly how your meals are converted into pure physical energy. But before we start our descent, drop your absolute favorite food to eat in the comments below. Seeing this internal, highly coordinated journey with your own eyes is the first required step toward understanding how your body sustains every movement and thought. The entire operation kicks off in the mouth. Before you even swallow, your teeth act as physical crushers, tearing the food apart while salivary glands coat the pieces to initiate the first stage of chemical breakdown. Once you swallow, your brain takes over. It activates a wave-like muscular motion known as peristalsis. These powerful automatic contractions physically force the chewed mass downward through the esophagus. At the very bottom of this tube sits the lower esophageal sphincter. This ring-like muscle acts as a gatekeeper, momentarily relaxing to let the food drop through before snapping shut behind it. This strictly automated delivery mechanism ensures that incoming fuel reaches the highly volatile processing zone below without splashing corrosive acids back up into your vulnerable esophageal tissue. The food now enters the stomach, essentially a volatile biological vat. The mass immediately gets drenched in intense stomach acids and powerful digestive enzymes. While those liquids eat away at the food, the stomach's thick muscular walls relentlessly churn and smash the solid matter. This brutal mixing process turns your meal into a dense, semi-fluid paste known as chyme. The stomach tightly controls the next phase, slowly releasing small bursts of this highly acidic paste into the duodenum, the very first section of your small intestine. The stomach serves as a brutal, necessary pulverization chamber. It physically breaks solid matter down to a microscopic state, so your cells can actually extract the incoming nutrients. The moment that acidic chyme enters the duodenum, it faces an entirely new bombardment of specialized chemical agents. Let's see if you know where those chemicals come from. Quick quiz. Which organ produces the bile necessary to digest dietary fats? Is it A, the pancreas, B, the liver, or C, the stomach? If you guessed the liver, you are absolutely right. The liver produces bile and stores it in the gallbladder. When you eat, the gallbladder squeezes that bile into the intestine, while the pancreas simultaneously injects crucial enzymes designed to dismantle carbohydrates, fats, and proteins. As the mixture travels deeper into the small intestine, we hit the extraction phase. The intestinal walls are lined with millions of microscopic finger-like projections called villi. They act as biological sponges, pulling the broken-down essential nutrients directly out of the fluid and into your bloodstream. Once the nutrients are stripped away, the depleted waste moves into the large intestine. Here, billions of gut bacteria feed on the leftover material, while the colon heavily reabsorbs the remaining water back into your body. This severe dehydration process consolidates the waste into a solid stool. It's then pushed down into the rectum, where specialized sphincter muscles hold it securely until you initiate a controlled exit. This specific sequence of chemical bombardment and microscopic extraction is the only reason raw matter can be converted into the chemical fuel that keeps you alive. But this complex machinery is fragile. When you constantly overload the system with highly processed junk food, or simply swallow large bites without properly chewing, the entire mechanism begins to fail under the strain. A weakened esophageal sphincter allows stomach acid to escape upward, causing agonizing acid reflux. Down below, chronic inflammation damages the delicate gut lining, physically preventing the villi from absorbing incoming nutrients. When your gut lining fails, localized pain is only the first symptom. The real danger is a state of chronic fatigue, where your body literally starves for essential vitamins regardless of how many calories you consume. The human body responds exceptionally well to proper maintenance. By supplying the system with adequate hydration, high-quality fiber, and whole foods, you give the digestive machinery exactly what it needs to run smoothly. A healthy, optimized digestive tract ensures your bloodstream is constantly supplied with the nutrients required for cellular repair and consistent energy. When your body absorbs these materials efficiently, you avoid the metabolic crashes that lead to physical exhaustion. Optimizing your digestion is a critical requirement for maintaining your overall health. If you're ready to master the internal workings of your own body, hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and share this video so we can keep investigating these biological miracles together.